Precision and control, two key elements of TIG welding. In this video, I'm welding a joint between a straight and a curved pipe using TIG welding machine. The challenge here is maintaining uniform penetration while adapting to the curve. To achieve this, I ensure proper fit up, use the steady hand to control heat input, and added filler wire consistently for a smooth, strong joint. The result is a clean, high-quality weld that guarantees durability and performance. TIG welding demands patience and technique. Every weld is opportunity to perfect the craft. What's your best TIG welding tips? Let me hear you in the comment section.